I think the fact that we have so much cable knowledge and that we all really love what we're doing, and so when you combine that passion and that experience together, it's a combination that you can't find in other companies.
The main focus of the high-speed cable plant is high-speed coax and twin-X, and we're talking about micro coax and micro twin-X. We're able to ribbonize it, extrude it all on site. We go from gauges as large as 26 gauge, we go all the way down to 38 gauge micro coax.
We also make discrete line cable, and we make custom cables for certain customers. That's pretty much all we do is cable.
We've had applications where they want different colors. We want applications where we need tighter skew, better performance using the same building blocks we have, but do something just a little bit different that suits the customer's needs. The products, they're going to come from our customers. Higher density, higher speeds, that's just where the market's going.
We have some really fascinating proprietary processes here. I think really distinguishes us from the competition. The foam process and our twin-ax extrusion process is quite different than our competitors. When you introduce air voids into a dielectric, you allow the signal to travel more quickly, reduce the dielectric constant, and reduce the size of the product.
Our twin-ax design is a standalone construction that is, most designs don't have either skew as good as ours or insertion loss that has the same performance level as ours does, and that's a big advantage for Samtec. In our microwave, we're developing a 23 gauge, and we're also looking at improved flexible design cables that will meet RF performance. We're always challenging ourselves with new materials that can make it smaller, faster signal speeds, and better cost.
The cable plant, it's a differentiated technology for us. None of our competitors have something like this, and what the cable plant allows us to do is produce our own ribbonized coax and twin-X cable, and we can take that and hook it up to basically any connector that Samtec sells.
Operating as one team removes the traditional boundaries. It allows people openly interact with each other and connect dots that would not be connected.
The Firefly is a great example. It's literally the embodiment of that collaborative approach in a product.
Firefly transmits a great deal of aggregate data rate in a very small amount of space. Firefly is a product that utilizes all of our technology centers.
If you didn't have those internal groups able to pull on the experience that we've had on the optical domain, it would have been a lot harder to develop an electrical version. The high-speed cabling guys have got multiple variants of the electrical version.
Firefly is a product that would not be possible at a lot of other companies. At Samtec, integration equals innovation. From a technology standpoint, it's a new territory, pioneering product that allows you to be the first to deliver a new solution that is truly differentiated.